Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday, 15th of October. Moving on to cable now. We've been talking about cable being under pressure from the Brexit trade deal negotiations. It had a bit of a tick higher yesterday, in fact, as this sort of suggestions that there was a little sign of progress, but progress is slow, and subsequently you haven't really seen too much traction in that move higher, and you've seen sterling falling over again today as the dollar, or cable falling over today as the dollar has strengthened once more. Still seems as though there's resistance, doesn't there? 30 big figure, you can extend that to 30.80 really, sort of band of resistance there. I mean, it broke that recovery uptrend that was sort of starting to build. It broke that yesterday intraday, although obviously not on a closing basis. I don't really think you can class that as an uptrend anymore. And you'd be certainly concerned about the fact that the momentum indicators are struggling to really pull on. And given the fact that sterling's fallen back again today, I think it's just playing out the continuation of the volatility theme that we've got in recent days. Seems as though 26.70 to 30.80, almost 410 pips of range. And yeah, I think you're sort of towards the high of that range, but ultimately, is it going to be a point at which we break out? I don't think so. I think risk appetite is not looking great at the moment. That doesn't help sterling dollar moving higher, and the Brexit negotiations, unless there is a all-out agreement this week, I can't see cable going too much higher at the moment. It sort of leaves us in a bit of a no man's land territory, bit of a ranging play. You can see that on the hourly chart really. If you sort of zoom out and go to the sort of past couple of weeks, you can basically see that we are in a range here. 30 big figure, old resistance, has actually become a bit of a pivot line again. Became supportive overnight and then bang to the downside. So that's now resistance on the upside. You say 30.65, obviously yesterday's high, 30.80, the big resistance overhead, but essentially momentum indicators on hourly suggest a ranging outlook on a near-term basis, sort of falling over. You're sort of having now once more a little bit of a negative near-term bias towards maybe 26.80 again, and 26.80 was actually, before I took it out, a bit of a pivot line on this chart, and it sort of basically comes back in again as the midpoint area. And we could be sort of going back towards that part again. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.